1, 2, 3. I've got the 3 boxes of puzzles. Oh, the boxes are damaged. What are the pictures for the puzzles? Well, don't worry. I will find out for you. Just be patient and watch me play the puzzle, okay? Let's open the first box. I can see Birdie, Pussycat, a basket of apples, Doggy. I guess it's a farm puzzle. Let's find out together. Look, what's this? It's a man holding a full basket of apples. It says, Happy Apple Farm. It is a farm puzzle. Here is the sun and the beautiful rainbow, the apples, farmhouse, the farmer and his wife, kittens, Birdie, Doggy, and all this food. Isn't a beautiful farm puzzle? Do you like it? We're going to find out the second box of the puzzle. How exciting! It's a brown dog. This one is a purple dog. They are so cute. The purple doggy played the violin. The brown dog is singing. Ah, they are singing a song. Hello, Diddle Diddle. Do you know this song? Would you like to sing with them? Okay, wonderful. We have one more puzzle to find out what it is. Oh, look, what a big hand. And the big mouth with big teeth. It must be a monster. Hey, here's a little boy. Be careful, monster! What are you doing here? Hey, we made it! It's a puzzle of the fairy tale called Jack and the Beanstalk. Do you know this story? What fun puzzle games we have played. We have found out the puzzles of farm, the puzzle of the Hello Diddle Diddle, and the puzzle of the Jack and the Beanstalk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe my channel to watch more puzzle with instruction and commentary. See you soon!